Hello lovely folks, I've come out on this exceedingly chilly afternoon to record a little channel update video for you to let you know what's going on. As it stands, we are at 997 subscribers. I'm just blown away. Thank you all so much for your support and your kind messages. It really means a lot to me, it truly does. You may have noticed there's not been that many videos lately, and that's good reason for that. I'm taking some time off from filming to do some life admin stuff and to consolidate everything that we've done so far on the channel. You guys have seen the cords and braids PDF that's come out. The next one that will release before Christmas, hopefully, fingers crossed, is the stitches, seam treatments and hemming PDF, and that's going to consolidate everything we learned in the videos on those subjects so far, put it all in the PDF format for those of you who prefer to have things written down and just want to be able to reference. Sorry, that's next door's ducks. Yeah, so in the new year I'm going to be starting a new series, and that is going to be how to make your first tunic or dress. Now, if you've already made plenty, hopefully there'll still be some interesting stuff in there for you, but if you're just beginning, just starting out, this series of videos is for you. We're going to go through measuring yourself, adding ease to those measurements so that your resulting garment isn't too tight. We're going to look at learning how to draw a pattern diagram, looking at different layouts for cutting to get the most out of your fabric, and then we're going to go step by step through all the different sections of putting together a tunic or dress. So by the end of it, if you've watched my videos on the stitches and everything else, the hemming techniques, and then you watch this series, you will be able to make your first set of Viking clothing, no trouble. There will be a PDF that goes with that as well, but all that's coming in the new year now. So as I said, I won't be filming anymore now between now and Christmas. So for everybody out there, thank you ever so much for your support over the last 9 months. It's just been absolutely amazing. I have loved every second of doing this channel, and I'm looking forward to making lots more videos next year. Look after each other, have a wonderful festive period, whatever you celebrate, and I will see you soon. Bye! And in other exciting news that I completely forgot to mention, I now have a Ko-fi account. So if you would like to make a donation, it would be incredibly appreciated. Absolutely no pressure, but the link is in the description for the videos and on the information page if you would like to. Thanks everybody.